Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Today we're going to be doing a really cool problem involving logarithms and a few other cool things. But yeah, this is a really crazy problem and we're going to solve it together. So, first I want you guys to try, and if you can't, then it's okay. But if you can, then that'll be great. I think there are a few ways to solve this, but here's the way that I'm thinking about. So, again, we're just going to start with x equals, alright? I'm going to continue with this negative ln of, okay, so the first thing I see here is this log of e, really if this was ln, or log base e of 337, then we can just say that's ln of 337. And we can really easily do that. This is just equal to 1 over ln of 337, just by the change of base formula. And I think I'm going to make a short about that, just to show that it's really true. But yeah, basically we can just say this is x over ln of 337. Alright, and I think that would be really useful for us. And then here we can't really do too much. Well, actually, we can say this is log of 6 over log of 337, but we really, because it's the change of base formula, we can use any logarithm. We can say it's log base e, and I think using ln is going to be beneficial for us because we have ln's here and here, and overall I think it just works best since we also have e's everywhere. So I'm going to say that we're going to keep this minus e to the negative x. But then I'm just going to say this is times ln 6 over ln of 337. So ln 6 over ln of 337. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, we have these ln 337s, so we could just combine them under one fraction, right? So if x equal to negative ln of, we have x minus ln 6 e to the negative x on the top. So x minus ln of 6 times e to the negative x over ln of 337. Okay, so what can we do from here? Well, we can notice that we can kind of break these up. Actually, I don't want to do that. I want to make this e to the negative x. Oh, I'm sorry. I want to first, actually, let's divide by the negative 1. Let's take it one step at a time. So we have negative x equals this, and then I want to raise like e to both sides. So basically, I'll just say e to the negative x equals e to the ln of this, which is just, we'll just get that in return. So we have this x minus ln 6 times e to the negative x over ln of 337. Okay, so what I can really do right now is just multiply both sides by ln of 337. So we get that this is e to the negative x times ln of 337 equals x minus ln of 6 times e to the negative x. Alright? So I hope you guys can see this step. I've really just multiplied both sides by ln of 337. And then you can notice that we have an e to the negative x here and here. So we can actually add this term to both sides. Since we have this negative here, we can just add it to both sides, and then we'll be able to work from there. So basically, if we do that, we get e to the negative x times ln of 337 plus, and I'll just do it in the same order, we have e to the negative x times ln 6, alright, and that's still equal to x, just on that side. And we can now factor e to the negative x out, so we have e to the negative x times ln of 337 plus ln 6 equals x. Okay, well, what if we multiply by e to the x on both sides, right? Let's see, let me just make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah, so what if we multiply by e to the x on both sides? Well, e to the x times e to the negative x is just 1, right? So that's basically going to cancel out, and we'll have an e to the x there. So yeah, we have, let me do it up here actually. So we have ln of 337, oops, hold on. Yeah, so we have ln of 337 plus ln 6 equals, this is going to be x times e to the x, right? That's a weird equal sign. This is equal to x times e to the x. And hey, do you notice something? X times e to the x, remember that Lambert W function? Well, this is really great because we can take the w of both sides. So we have w of ln of 337 plus ln 6 equals w of x times e to the x. And this is just going to give us x, right? That's just the definition of the w function. And this, first off, I just want to condense this. What's 3, so if we want to combine this, this is just going to be this, it's going to be the natural log of this times that, right? 337 times 6. If you work that out, that actually becomes ln, so of 2021, okay? And then we have that this is w of that, and that is equal to x. And that's our final answer. After a ton of work, actually it wasn't too bad, but we made some great progress, and so the answer to this problem is w of ln of 2021. Now my challenge for you is to verify that this is true. Plug it back in, just simplify as much as you can, and on this side you'll get w of ln 2020, ln, oh I'm sorry, this is 2022, not 2021. On this side you'll get w of ln 2022, and then on this side you'll get a whole weird expression that'll actually simplify to this w of ln of 2022. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a nice little problem that I wanted to do, and so yeah, I hope you have a great year, and yeah, I will see you throughout the month. As I said, we will have double uploads throughout the month of January. Alright, bye guys.